Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today I came with a tip how to make pancake in 2 minutes. Okay, I know a lot of people make pancake all the time, but this is the easiest recipe I found, so I thought to share with you. So let's go and bake some pancake. Okay, so let's mix the ingredients. What we have is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, then we have 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. We have 2 teaspoons of oil. Then we have milk. We have 2 cups of milk. So
yeah,
put it.
Next egg.
Next eggs. Yes. What we have to do is
make it
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Okay. Now what you're gonna do is
We have to
whisk
mix
it.
it.
We have to whisk it really good. Some people mix the flour before putting the milk, but I like to mix it all together, to skip. Okay, so our batter is mixed and it's ready to be poured into the pan. So let's go and make our pancakes. So get a non-stick pan, and if you want to spray some oil, just spray some oil. Get some of your batter.
Pancake.
And then pour it.
We got a pancake.
Okay.
Yeah, we got it.
That's it. Let's wait till it cooks. See, when you see the brown color around it, so let's flip it.
I'm helping
Okay.
you, Mama.
It's perfect.
I'm helping you.
Perfect. So let's wait a couple more seconds, and then it's ready to go. Lot of syrup. Okay. All right. So let's try some. Okay, let me take a piece. Wow. For 2 minutes, it's really worth it and so easy to make. So please try it. And if you like this video, please share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay? I'll be coming with another video soon. Till then, it's me, Aldo, signing off. Bye-bye.